Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning that sometimes we will approve some sites notification on our Chrome, then you will receive the notification by Chrome. Whenever you're using the Chrome, otherwise you are not using the Chrome, you will receive the notifications like a hundred of notifications in this side, okay? And the proper method is that open your Chrome application, go to settings, then now sites, then notifications, turn on each site notifications. That's a proper method, but we can do simply a trick, but actually it is disabling all kind of notification from Chrome. So how do that? Just you can simply open the application page from here like this, press and hold, select app info from anywhere, okay? Otherwise you can go to settings, then go to app management or apps, you can see here, then select app management, sorry, okay, app management, then select application, this case is Chrome, and simply you can see here manage notification, open that, then select this thing or turn off these things. Now you are successfully turned off all kind of notification from Chrome. That means if you are downloading any files, whenever we can see that in the notification area, but actually you are now turned off the all notification, then you cannot see that the progressing of downloads of Chrome, and also after download you cannot see that notification the file is downloaded. So this is blocking all kind of notification from Chrome. So this is a trick for someone who don't know the proper settings, but actually it is work. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.